Hi everybody, today we are talking about this Itoh peony called Canary Brilliants. It has been blooming for the past week and it's almost done. Because this is one of my favorite, I thought I'd do a video about this peonies. So look at that bloom, and this peony is also fragrant. It smells really good, and there's a couple more right there. And look at how this one is done, was the first one to bloom. Now it's all done. And then look at that gorgeous bloom right there. I love this peony so much. It's one of my favorite. It's been right here in the container for the past 4 years, and it's doing really well in the container. And I got a couple more blooms right there, and there's another one right here. So big. Look at how huge that bloom is. So, as the reminder, Itoh peonies are a cross between the tree peonies and the herbaceous peony. And right now, some of the Itoh peonies are already done blooming, and this one is about to be done. It's probably got a couple more weeks. I'm gonna say maybe about 1 more week, and then it will be done. Look at that. And there's another bloom right there. The pink on the outside, kind of darker color on the inside, make this peonies absolutely gorgeous. Coming around, and there's 2 more. Look at that. One's right there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed this Itoh peony. I wish I have more. I only have this one, and maybe by next year I can get my hand on a few more. Alright, thank you so much for joining me today, and have a good day everyone. Bye.